Hello friends, it's Sherry from Turquoise Dreaming. How you doing today? Welcome to my channel and thank you for joining me. I just have a quick little share for you today. I had asked my niece who does wood burning on the side. She's a very creative artist, and I had asked her to make a Christmas ornament for me, and this is a baby's first Christmas ornament for my granddaughter Riley. And so I asked her to make one, and I just said I wanted her name and baby's first Christmas and her birthday. Pretty boring, right? But, I just, never had an ornament made before, and I didn't know what, really to ask for. So she came back and she said, would you like a Baby Yoda on it? And of course I said yes, because my son and daughter-in-law love Baby Yoda and Star Wars and The Mandalorian and all of that. So it was perfect. And so she made this for me. And so I'm going to link her Facebook page below this video. She has a Facebook page just for her wood burning, and it's called sideburns, and then it says custom wood burning or something like that. And she has she has some of her work posted on that page, and also she has 2 videos showing what she does. So it's very cool. But I wanted to show you what she made me. So she does all this by hand. She doesn't have any kind of computerized machine or anything. She does it by hand. So she wrote, the letters, the wood burned letters. She drew the Baby Yoda in his little pod or carrier or whatever that is he rides around in. And she put a little Santa hat on him. And she put these little Christmas lights down here. And, birthday, Riley's name, first Christmas. And she sent me a picture before it was colored and before she put the snowflakes on. I was like, oh, that's perfect and beautiful. I love it. And she said, well, I'm thinking about putting some color and some snowflakes around the edges. And I'm like, okay. I trusted her, whatever she wanted to do. You know what I mean? She's just that type of person where you can have faith that whatever she does is going to come out beautiful, right? So, yeah, she did it. She did the snowflakes, and she colored the hat that's red, and she colored, there's color, I hope it's coming through on the camera, but there is color on the little Christmas lights. So really, they're different colors. And so, and I want you to see the detail, and even the little snowflakes are very, she drew each one of the little pieces there on the snowflakes. It's just so detailed and cool. I just love it. And then the thing that really makes it also cool is that it's on a slice of a tree trunk. So see this is a slice of a tree trunk. See, here's the bark. It goes all the way around, and the wood on the back. And it looks like she has a finish on here to protect it, over the years, so it can be a keepsake for many, 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 many years. And then she puts a little hole here for the ornaments, and this is twine and a wood bead, and it very, of course, coordinates with the natural rustic look of the whole thing. But it's so, I never imagined it would be so beautiful. I just can't believe how beautiful it is. It's like, I knew she, I've watched her do her art through the years, and both of my nieces, there's 2 sisters, and they're both super creative, and they get that from my brother and his wife, my sister-in-law, that live in Florida. But yeah, they're just super creative family. So I knew it would be beautiful, whatever she did. So just wanted to share that, and I'm going to link her Facebook page in case you would like anything. You can message her, and she will work it out with you. But that's the ornament, and I want to show you the envelope too. She even decorated the envelope. Like, she did not have to do that. She's busy mom, two little kids, and she works full time, and she does this, and she's very busy doing this right now too. So I was like, oh my goodness, this envelope is beautiful. She did all this by hand, drew this on here, and on the front too. Ignore this. I covered up the addresses with washi tape, but see all this right here? She drew all of that on there. This is not washi tape. She drew this by hand. and this too right down here, and there's a little decoration right here around it says made with love, and she put that around the handle with care. Isn't that cute? So that just shows you how creative she is. She even decorated the envelope, and she didn't have to do that. So I really appreciate it. And yeah, check out her Facebook page and give her a like there, because her videos, just watch her videos. They're only a few seconds, but really cool, showing how she does some of the wood burning. So thanks for watching today. Hope you enjoyed my little ornament. I can't wait to give it to Riley and my daughter-in-law and my son. They're gonna flip over it. So thanks for watching today, and everybody have a Merry Christmas. I'll see you next time.